Lost bins, misplaced trolleys, manual tracking, and production delays can significantly impact operational efficiency. Introducing Teknovara RFID bin and trolley management system, providing complete visibility, automation, and real-time asset tracking. Every bin and trolley is equipped with a unique RFID tag, creating a digital identity for accurate tracking. Fixed RFID readers automatically capture movement whenever bins or trolleys pass through designated checkpoints. Need to locate a specific asset? Handheld RFID readers enable rapid inventory audits and instant asset identification. Monitor asset locations, movement history, inventory status, and operational insights from a centralized dashboard. Reduce asset loss, improve inventory accuracy, optimize operations, and gain complete control over your bins and trolleys. Transform your asset management with intelligent RFID automation from Teknovara solutions over your bins and trolleys.